everyone. Today we're going to look at the Arola Smart X1 Digital Light Alarm Clock. You will find inside the box the alarm clock, a USB Type-C cable, your power adapter, the user manual. You will also find this little pick to unlock the battery if you ever need to replace it. Let's take a look at this clock. You have the display panel, you have your controls here on top, you have a dimmer on the right side, you have two USB charging ports, the micro USB Type-C for your power supply. Over here, you also have your antenna to listen to the FM radio stations. To turn on the light, you would click the right night light button.
When the aged get Alzheimer's disease, time may become muddled to them. What the time is? Is it day or night? Is it time to take medicine? Time orientation can become a struggle for all sorts of reasons, often leading to anxiety. agitation, and increased confusion. Then the calendar and day clock comes. It has large and clear letters, which can be seen up to 25 feet. It is a talking calendar and medication reminder, friendly to people who have impaired vision or cognitive issue. Besides, it can also help the elderly to customize their own part of day. All in all, helping the aged to get the accurate time and keep on track with daily routines, the calendar and day clock can make great contribution to their independence, reassurance, and well-being.